So today we're going to be making edible paint. And you say edible paint? Yes, edible paint. So this is how you make it. You put yogurt in a muffin pan. I would get the plain kind. This one is vanilla because it's also yummy. I want it to have a little flavor to mine. Okay. Then you take your food coloring. So this is red. Let's just do red. Green. Purple. And then blue. Okay. Then we're just gonna mix them. See how that color is coming? You may need to add more depending on how dark you want your yellow or your colors in general. Green. I could have used that one for that one too. Keep mixing. Blue. I like how that blue came out. This is red. So then you can go over the colors with your kids as well. And you can even have them help you mix it. That's what you want to do. So look at that. Then I'm going to take some paper. And then I'm just going to paint. So it's not like regular paint, but it is taste safe. So you can just do that. You can do a different color. Okay. So you get the idea. Also, if you don't want to waste it, which I didn't when I made it last night, I actually put it in parchment paper. And then you can freeze it like a yogurt treat for your kids. And it's really yummy. See? That's it, friends.
Hi friends, this is Miss Snap. Today we are going to sing my favorite song. It's going to be The Wheels on the Bus. This is the bus, and we are going to pull our hands and we are going to roll it. And our hands are going to be our wheels. You ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The wiper in the bus goes swish, 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 swish. The wiper in the bus goes swish, swish, swish all day long. The driver in the bus go move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver in the bus goes move on back all day long. The people up in the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people in the bus go up and down all day long. The baby in the bus go wah, 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 wah. The baby in the bus go wah, wah, wah. All day long. The mommy in the bus go shh, 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 shh. The mommy in the bus go shh, shh, shh. All day long. The daddy in the bus go, I love you, I love you, I love you. The daddy in the bus go, I love you, all day long. Okay, my friends, we are going to roll our hands. Roll, 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 roll to the front. Roll, 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 roll to the back. Roll, 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 up and roll, 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 roll down. One more time, we are going to sing. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Bye.
Hello, friends. Are you guys ready to sing the Old MacDonald song? I can hear you. Say it louder. Great. Let's start. To the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a... What is this? A cow. Yes. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With the moo-moo here and the moo-moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With the oink oink here and the oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With the quack quack here and the quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With the meow meow here and the meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With the woof woof here and the woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With the baba here and the baba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a baba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Good job, guys. Here's the Old MacDonald farm. I hope you had a lot of fun. I did. Bye-bye. See you next time, guys.